IPOB has been able to cripple whatever thing they are doing here today by the so-called Nigerian Igbo group. It is very obvious now that Ike Ekweremadu experienced the shock of his life today because of his stupidity and his hopelessness. We've been able to show him that we are everywhere. It doesn't matter wherever they go to in this Western world, we will always get them. It doesn't matter wherever they go in this Western world, we'll get them. They can do whatever thing they want to do in that contraption called Zoo Nigeria. But as long as this place is concerned, Europe, America, Canada, name it, anywhere they go, we'll get them. That is what we've promised them. This is police here. They're just taking, they just intervened. They are just doing the normal protocol. That is what they are doing. Collecting our data and all these things. But you can see nothing is happening at the minute. Nothing is happening. Look at them there. They are finished. They are finished. The whole thing, the whole setup is over. There is nothing they can do. We are waiting for them. They can go ahead and do the New Yam Festival. But as long as people like Ike Ekweremadu is concerned, he's not allowed to enter there. We've been able to paint him today with X. That is only just the beginning. But he was lucky. He was lucky. He would have seen something he has never seen before in his life. We're in the Western world. Nothing will happen to us. The only thing is this: we'll go to court and there is a rule of law here, and that will apply. And that is basically what it is, and that is how it is. We cannot stop. As long as we are concerned, we are not going to stop until Ike Ekweremadu runs away from Germany. He can go to anywhere in the world, but he cannot come to Germany. We are now giving, we are not allowed to come very closer to where they are doing this thing. They are giving us 50 meters gap, not to go closer to them. But it doesn't matter. We've been able to do what we're supposed to do. But as long as we are concerned, Ike Ekweremadu has gotten the shock of his life today. Yes. That will tell him that he is not allowed to come. He is not welcomed anywhere in Germany. Yes. Anywhere in Europe is not welcome. Anywhere we go, we'll get him because IPOB is all over the world. We are the largest movement in the world. It doesn't matter what they are saying. Yes. So these are the police who are trying to make peace. Make peace. This is German police. Yeah. This is how they do. And this is all we can do. We can't do anything about that. So we've been able to show them today that wherever they go, they will face the wrath of IPOB. And that is the fact of the matter. Thank you very much.